right, Model T time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 1923 Ford Model T Touring. Interesting fact about the 1923 model year, over 2 million units sold in 1923, which still holds a record to this day of the most units sold in a single model year. The Touring model, of course, with the fold down vinyl roof. This particular one has the side curtains we have up on the rear. We also have the front side curtains. Did take them off for the video. Those will be along the side over here. I'll show you that in just a bit. Underneath the hood, inline 4-cylinder, should be 177 cubic inch inline 4-cylinder. Wood spoked wheels. Gotta love these Model Ts. One of the questions we get asked a lot, do you still sell those? Absolutely. Model Ts and Model As, we still sell both of them. Hand crank is still there. We're going to use the battery option on this one to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll see if we can even get Jason to take it for a drive, show you how it goes around in the parking lot, maybe frontage road. Still pictures, you want to check those out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that'll take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. Paint on this, there's some imperfections, there's some scratches here and there. It kind of adds to the character of these cars. I don't know, there's something about a Model T, if you get too fancy a paint, too perfect a paint on it, kind of just looks out of place. You want a little character to the car. As you can see, seating surfaces on the interior, nice shape. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. I mentioned the front side curtains right there, just rolled up. Those are in the back of the car. We'll include those with it. There's some of the rubber for the running boards that will go with it, rubber vinyl. Also a little flag setup for parades, and I think that's why a lot of people still have these cars, is the parades. Maybe your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. These straps obviously secure the top when it is folded back. And it turns into a convertible, I guess, if you will. Rear mounted spare. Gotta like that little stoplight on there. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And at the end of this video, stick around. We're gonna fire it up, let you hear it run, show you how to start it. Cars are kind of cool, fun to drive. 3-pedal system in them. I believe it's considered a planetary gear. Not quite like you'd expect a clutch and shifting in a more modern vehicle today. All right, speaking of which, let's slip around to this passenger side. Much easier for me to get in over here and slide in and kind of show you things. Plus this door opens on this side. All right, so there's that 3-pedal system. Brake being all the way on the right. Push the middle one, you're going to go backwards. Push the left one, you'll go forwards. Over here, I guess what I'd consider your parking brake, and or putting it so you can back up and go forward. Starter button is right down here. Key, we're going to turn this on to the left. Choke is here. Of course, you have your timing and your basically your gas or your throttle. So let's go ahead and see if we can fire it up. Biggest thing is just finding the button to push. All right. There we go. Warm up just a bit here. Little amp meter. Quite the dash, huh? Slip around to the back here so you can hear it run. They kind of all sound the same. Very similar sounding, right, because of engines. They were pretty universal, obviously, the way they were produced. Let me pause this a second. I'll at least pop this engine compartment open so you can take a peek at it running. There's a peek at the engine bay. Again, pretty simple, definitely simpler times. 1923 Ford Model T Touring. Stick around. We'll see if Jason will take this for a little spin around the parking lot in frontage road. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into these Model Ts, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1923 Ford Model T. And I'm doing her one-handed around the parking lot here for you because we don't have a side window. This car has soft top material, including side panels, which is really hard to find. But like most Model Ts, our throttle is on the column. The left pedal goes forward, the middle pedal goes backwards, and the right pedal is your brake. Like most Model Ts, very smooth running. I kind of think of them like an old tractor engine. They just put along and they don't mind what you do. A little more throttle, a little more speed. Spacious back seat. We do have a fire extinguisher in this one and some flags for putting out on display. Another special feature on this one, a spotlight right here. Very cool features you don't usually see. Fully equipped with the radiator ornament that shows you your temperature rising. A very nice Model T. From 1923. See the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.